How to check out from ShopEECO.com. Once your cart is complete, you will begin the checkout process by selecting My Cart in the top right corner. For baseline users, you will submit your cart for approval by your purchasing agent, and from there they will place your order. If you are the purchasing agent or have super user credentials, you will be able to proceed directly to checkout. For authorized purchasing agents and super users, once you're on the checkout page, you will select shipping or will call and select the date that you wish to pick up or have the item delivered. You will also choose your shipping method. If items are unavailable at the time of purchase, you can choose to have a partial shipment of what is available and receive the out-of-stock items when they are ready. From the same checkout page, you will verify or change your shipping address, and you will also choose the payment method. You can choose your credit account through ECO or enter your own credit card information. If you do choose to pay by credit card, please select the green Submit button in the credit card window. If you fail to do so, your payment will not begin processing. Finally, check to ensure that all products are correct. Once everything is verified, you will submit your order and a confirmation will be sent to the email linked to your ShopEECO account. You may also submit your items as a quote. You will receive an acknowledgement email stating that you have requested a quote of the following items, and a sales representative will be in touch soon.